That shrimp right there, baby.
Grub time, boys. Mukbang. It's time to eat.
Acting crazy on it.
Let me tell you what it tastes like. Grub time, boys. Grub time, boys. Just put it on my plate like grub time, boys. Grub time, boys. Yeah, eating good. Mukbang. Grub time, boys. Grub time, boys. Eat off your plate like it's nothing. Grub time, boys. Grub time, boys. Yeah. Grub time, boys. Calling grub time, boys. Yeah. Grub time, boys.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Grub Time episode. Yeah! And look what I have today, boy. Man, so the air fried chicken is back in effect. Some garlic fried rice. Tasty. And the star of the show, shrimp cocktail. It's been hot here, man, Santa Maria, and so I'm wearing a tank top, sweat right there. So shrimp cocktail, nice and cool, refreshing and delicious. All right. Oh, I know you guys seen this earlier too, boy. All these little baby air fried chickens, baby. That's what I do. All right. You guys seen it. You know what time it is, right? It's grub time. Let's go. I'm gonna start with the shrimp cocktail, baby. That's good. It's real good. Avocado in here. Tomatoes, big shrimp, cucumbers. That shrimp right there, baby. Fried rice. That's good. Air fried chicken, back on deck. Always good. I hope I'm not boring you with all my air fried chicken, but lately I've been loving air fried chicken, baby. Yeah, it's been so hot here, man. Past week. So, trying to find things to do to cool down. Trying to find things to eat, cool down. Oh, don't forget, put your water in, baby. Hey, give that water there. You guys see that crunch in that air fried chicken too. No oil, nothing. No oil, no drip. And that garlic fried rice. On point, baby. Easy to make too. All this easy to make. Everything. What you guys eating today, huh? Good stuff too? You better be. Cause I am. Try one of these baby ones I did. This one. Let's get that. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you eat that by itself, but when you mix it with other stuff, even better, baby. Check out this crunch. A shrimp combo. There's cilantro in there too. So bomb. You know what? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'd rather make my own food and eat at home versus eating out. Because you can make it how you like it. Get as much as you want. And to be honest with you guys, it tastes better. That's depending on what you guys do, you know. Or depending on what you guys want. But let's start the show. Shrimp cocktail. Great job. You earned your star. Shrimp cocktail. Put some Tapatio, Tabasco, and ketchup in there. Tastes so good. That skin, that fried skin is so good. I can eat this air fried chicken all day long, baby. Eat every bit of it. Excuse me. That was so good. No complaints. Love my air fryer. But, like I said, start of the show was shrimp cocktail. He definitely stole the show. I'll finish this water later. But there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next Grub Time episode. Grub Time Boys out.
Grub time boys. Mukbang. It's time to eat.
That's a crazy one.
Let me tell you what it tastes like. Grub time boys.